How to add background music in Canva presentation. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add background music in Canva presentation. It's super simple, but before that, make sure you hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. That really helps us out. Now let's move on towards the video. You need to simply head over to your browser, and once in the browser, in the search bar, you need to type canva.com. This will take you to the official Canva website. Now that you're here, you need to simply go ahead and select the presentation that you want to work with. Now that you have selected the presentation, if you want to upload music to your presentation, you can simply go ahead and click on upload option over here. From here, you can either upload images, videos or audios. Here, we are going to upload a music, so you need to simply go ahead and click on audio. And now, if the music that you want to upload are not here, you need to simply go ahead and click on upload files. And from here, you can go ahead and select the music that you want to add to your presentation. Now, once you do that, you need to simply go ahead and drag and drop the music over here. And you need to simply adjust the length of the music so that it covers the entire presentation. And once you do that, your music will be added to your presentation. And that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.